What's goody?
Oh, today we doing the McChicken challenge.
Hey.
100 McChickens total. We got 20 McChickens per person, y'all. Let's get it.
All right, let's get it.
All right, y'all. We pulling up right here at McDonald's. We got 5 heads. We got Avery, Mello, Adrian, Emma. Okay, let's get it, y'all. Yo, hey, it's our boy. Alright, we getting like 100 McChickens, right?
Yeah.
100 McChickens.
Just straight up 100.
This man's about to destroy them.
I want to see. I want to see.
It's our boy right here. Yes, sir. That dude to take an order though.
Let's order.
We need 100 McChickens.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
So you guys have to go first. So you waiting for?
Yeah.
Yeah.
100.
I don't know how to. Taking 100.
Seriously?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I told you.
I told you guys to call
You guys are
first.
supposed to call first. So you taking maybe like 30 minutes? So I
Yeah,
don't know how
it's
long
fine.
you're waiting.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
We good, boys.
You're welcome.
All right, let's get it. And now we wait. Oh my God.
Chino.
65.
Let's go.
Bro, when I get home,
100
All right,
McChickens.
boys.
What's the total?
107.
107.
$107.
Count the ones.
We got 10. Let's
It's
go.
the first time. It's the first time.
Now we got another person. We got 6. Up to 6 now. Let's go, baby. We got this.
There's 10
10
here.
more.
10 more.
80 more to go.
80 more to go.
Oh yeah. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
It's over here.
Oh, we're gonna eat 100 McChickens. Eat 100 McChickens.
Oh my God.
Yes, ma'am.
Hey, we got 10 more. We got 10 more.
Oh, we got 10 more. Here we go.
Okay, that's
That's our
30.
boy.
That's 30.
We got 30. 70 more to go.
Why you went along with them?
70 more.
70 more.
This is actually insane, guys. Oh my
Let's
god.
go.
Let's go.
Let's go. This is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen.
Yeah.
Number 40.
Hey, let's go.
Number 40, y'all. Hey, yo, I'm just telling y'all something. This is the best McDonald's out there. Like, we got the best customer service out here. Showed up, no problem. 100. No problem.
Is this all the way?
Oh, we gotta tip the chef, bro.
So good.
Like, look at his handiwork, bro.
Yeah.
We gotta tip the chef after what he did.
Dude, same.
We're definitely tipping.
Yeah.
We can start?
Alright, we got the 100 finally, boys. Let's go.
Yeah.
No, so good.
Stop it. You're going to make yourself puke.
Bro, the way Avery eats is disgusting. Better start off slow.
Are you ready to be interesting?
You gonna Matt Stoney it? You're already down one?
All right, 99 chickens to go.
She said you guys make a mess, so you gotta clean it up.
Okay.
You guys ever done this before?
No.
Start off slow, I'm telling you.
I'm an eating beast.
Hey, watch me be the first one to tap out.
Jessica,
Yeah.
put the camera like right there.
Like this? Hell no. Hey, put it on me chickens.
Let's go.
I just stack that shit on the chicken, bro. Hey, you know who we should have brought?
This one's so cool.
We should have brought Christian.
Salazar? He wanted to come, but he said, I don't want to spend $20. Yeah.
Little bitch.
Didn't Danny Garcia want to come too? Mm-hmm. But he spent it all on the local
Where are we at? I'm down 2. I'm on second one. Me and Melo are like the same one. I'm going slow. Fuck that one.
Alright, so what do you got? You got 3.
I'm on my third right now. Same right here. This is my third.
So we're like basically down 10 already.
Yeah.
Alright, boys, 90 left to go.
Hell no.
90 left.
90 left. We can do it, bros.
No. I'm sweating.
Bro, don't drink shit, Emilio. Cause that's gonna fucking fill you up
Yeah, I
more
hope
than
so.
the food is.
It's gonna expand, bro.
Okay.
The
You're gonna
liquid
get
will
this
make
shit
the
in
water,
like 10 minutes.
The bread expand. Liquid will make the bread expand. Don't drink.
Can I Wu Tang and McChicken? I'm already for the Wu Tang and
I don't think none of us are gonna get past 5.
I'm eating 20.
I'm getting 20.
I'm eating 20.
Bro, who's us?
And you, that one. Tall gay one with braces, short gay white.
I'm not
Like
sure.
twins, but like
Dude,
brown and
I'm not
white.
even like
I'm
full.
6'1". I'm not
Oh, this is mine. I got another.
Wait, can you say that again? $5 a piece.
Mine is
Five
first.
bucks a piece for everyone.
That's $5 a
If
piece.
we eat all of this.
Alright, well then we'll eat.
Alright, y'all, he challenged us. The worker challenged us.
Now we gotta do it.
He's like,
That's
he's
a bet.
glad he
Now we
worked
gotta
today
do it.
because we're interested.
You're just gonna have to have pictures of it, and when you come in and show me, then I'll give you the $5 a piece.
Okay.
Bet?
Bet.
Hey!
Bet. Come on.
Let's go.
He said no.
He said, fuck that.
Hey.
Hey.
Coming for it, dude.
Fucking got you. This is bullshit, bro. Ain't nobody eating. Hey, you gonna,
Oh, yeah.
shit in some.
That booty popping, boy.
Oh, finish this. Alright, I'm sweating, bro.
How much you spend?
Full
It's
fucking
good.
sand. Full fucking sand.
Remember when you
Bro, this is not a good idea. Don't try this at home.
Well, we're done.
Goddamn.
right here, bro.
Hey, y'all want you want the chicken?
Bro, what the fuck did y'all
You better get to eating. You're fucking here now. You better help us.
What did y'all do all of this for?
We got more people showing up. What's up, bro?
That's hella big chicken, I swear to God. That shit is crazy.
This man's like 8 deep right now.
Oh, fuck.
He's like around 6 or 5. She's on her second one. He's on like 4th or 5th one.
Y'all crazy. I think he's on the 6th one, bro.
He's the 4th one.
This is a lot of McChickens, dude. Chickens, dude.
Rocking the triple decker.
Oh!
Yeah. Ooh. Little workout game. Let's go.
Oh my God, I'm throwing
Burning off the fat as we eat it. It's gonna cancel each other out.
I'll use your head as your whole ass head of mop, baby. Hey, Emilio.
Oh my pussy.
You got $1? Go buy 2 Buffalo Cups. No. Yes, they're good as fuck with these. The flavors.
Christian Salazar, where are you, bro? I need them titty milk.
Hey, bro.
Bro, chill out, bro.
You know what? I say we just, hey, you know what we should do? If we don't eat these, we should go drive around and start handing them to people.
Yes.
Or throw them at people. We'll drive by McChicken.
Just do a chicken drive by and throw them.
Fucking just start packing McChickens at people.
Dude, I'm
Emilio. You guys want a mop?
yeah.
No.
You don't need the
Not yet. Where do you guys have a broom?
Outside.
I'm good.
Someone clogged the toilet when I was in there.
Bro, you are crying. You're a whole tweaker.
You legit
Be like,
I'm pretty sure Avery's on drugs.
10 down already.
You've done 10?
I got a fit.
How does it feel to do 10?
I'm on my 10.
I'm pretty sure.
I got a fit. I'm
Someone clogged the toilet. Emma, you good, bro?
Hey, yo. You good?
What happened, son?
He's been in the bathroom.
I know you're moving.
Someone clogged the toilet.
I'm pretty sure he's on drugs.
Oh, my booty sweaty.
He got that booty sweat.
I don't think I can do any more, guys.
Do a little more work while you're doing that. Can you do that?
Yeah, I got it.
Can you do it?
I don't,
Sir.
Yeah, I'm 100% sure.
I don't think I can do any more, guys.
But I gotta hand it to you. You guys did a pretty good job.
Thank you. I did like most of it. We're not even close to being done yet.
We're not done yet.
The toilet is clogged. I cannot take it out.
What?
This lettuce.
Here's the what? Hey,
The toilet's
trash
clogged.
can out there.
Your toilet's clogged.
No, it is. Someone like took
It's
a.
clogged.
Someone went in.
Someone took a giant McChicken turd in there.
Avery, you're nasty. McFucket.
Bro. Oh my god.
That's a McWorking, bro.
Bro, that should be our
Meet
the
the
name
child.
of the video. Fucking
Meet the
McFucket.
child. The guy you're friends with in high school.
McLovins.
The guy you're okay acquaintances with.
Bro,
The
that
guy you
movie
fuck
was
in
funny
college.
as fuck.
The
What's
guy you
good?
end up with.
GG, motherfucker.
Faggot.
Childhood friend.
Oh.
Guy you're friends with in high school. Casual acquaintance. Guy
You
you
want a
fuck
piece
in
of
college.
lettuce?
Dude, I'm gonna
Guy
start
you
bringing
make
all sexy.
guy you kinda end
Want
up with
some
in
lettuce?
case. Yeah.
Dude, there's so much lettuce on the floor.
Hey, you threw the lettuce on the
It's
phone.
on the camera.
Let's play some Rocky music.
I got you. Okay, where the hell is my McChicken at, bro?
You ate it
Over there.
Do you want more?
I ate my McChicken. Oh, there's a triple. Hey, baby.
Bro, this lettuce.
Did you throw up?
I had a shit, but the fucking toilet's clogged.
Oh.
I couldn't.
Hey, we should go to have you take a shit.
Let's find Mr. Anderson's
Bro.
address.
I don't think we'll
Start
make
throwing
it.
chickens, bro.
Mr. Anderson was a bitch. I should have bet on it. Was it good?
Start breakfasting the fucking building.
Dude, I got
Hold on.
Chickens are great.
Who's trying to take the brown? They're sweet.
Mexican one.
Packing cakes? Oh.
I said
Oh,
woman.
her?
Oh, yeah.
Hey, y'all want McChickens?
Salvadorian.
Do you want some
Ooh.
McChickens?
Ladders in Mexico.
You want some? You want a McChicken? Hey, you guys can have some.
They're
Guys,
ignoring
want
the
some
fuck
McChicken?
out of you.
You want some free McChicken? Yo, look,
Shut the
right here.
fuck up,
Have
bro.
some. I'm serious.
Hey, hold up.
Sure.
Hold up.
Dude, I love that song.
You don't want?
Give it to the homeless.
Oh my god, Adrian, that's okay, buddy.
He said give it to the homeless. Bro, we should go fight tweakers downtown and give them McChickens.
Fight them?
No.
Oh,
Ready for a match?
Everyone's actually sweet. Bro, this is some content. He's actually sweet there. Bro.
Meanwhile.
Avery jumped up. His ass cheeks were spreading out. Hey, Melo, go outside and run around McDonald's.
Let me take this camera. It's not fun without the Rocky music. I almost fell. Do you want a McChicken? Let's go. And I'm still eating. Oh my god.
I'm gonna throw up.
Oh, Emilio! How's the McChicken? Bro, let's go. No, I'm not done. I'm not done. All right, I'm going inside. Oh, God damn. Bro, I can't eat any more McChickens.
We're gonna give them to random people. Fuck. I can't do this.
All right, we're about to give him McChickens because, dude, not my J's, bro. Oh, oh my God. Oh, bro. Oh my God, Bello.
Oh fuck.
It's been a long adventure. We're at One Eye Jack's. About to give him.
Hey, should we go to Plato's Closet and give him?
Hold on, no. Let's go on One Eye Jack's. Like, anybody wants some McChickens? Where? Hey! You want a McChicken? Take a McChicken! Take a McChicken! Damn you! Do you want a McChicken? Take a McChicken! Bro, nobody wants McChickens, bro! I'm gonna throw up, bro! No? I have failed. Know what? I don't know what we should do with these.
Is it right here?
I already asked him. Hey, yo! You want one?
Big chicken.
We can't finish them, bro.
No thanks, man.
Alright.
Appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Don't bring them in the bowling alley, though.
Don't bring them? Why?
Oh, you can't bring them in the bowling alley.
Oh, that sucks. We should bring them in the bowling alley?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. Like, actually, though. Sir, do you want a McChicken? Dude, nobody wants McChickens, bro. All right.
Really?
Let's just go back into
Hey,
McDonald's,
so
bro.
let's go.
Let's just go back into McDonald's. Hey, do you want some McChickens?
No.
Okay. Fine then. Bro, what is up with Raul, bro? He doesn't want any.
I know, we
McChickens.
tried. Let's go up to the stoplight.
All right.
Hand them out.
I got a whole bag of McChickens. Dude, I'm not trying to run in these, bro. I'm gonna crease them. Hey, McChickens! Man, you want some McChickens? Give me chickens.
I don't think she wanted them.
Look at Mel chase her down. Mel's chasing her down. Look at Mel. Hey, you want a McChicken? Hey, you want a free McChicken? You want a McChicken? Bro, this is failure, bro. Have a McChicken.
Free McChickens.
Bro. I'm about to stand out in the middle of the street. This guy. Get this guy. Oh, I already did that guy. That's the guy that yelled at us.
Someone take a.
Dude.
They're kind of soggy. We've made a pretty big dent, but we need some help. We definitely. All right. Mel!
Take McChickens. Sir. Sir. Hey, sir. What's on your window? Do you not want any McChickens? They're free. Bro, free lunch. Hey, yo, free lunch.